Are you struggling with slow internet speed? If yes, then you know how annoying slow internet issues can become. Nowadays, we do get 3G or 4G technology on our Androids. However, we still face slow internet issues. There are many applications to help you get a better internet speed, but you can apply some basic tips to boost your internet speed. So, in this video, we have discussed certain tips and tricks that will help you increase your internet speed. So, the very first thing that you need to do is to clear the cache. When cache memory is full, it slows down the ordinary speed of your Android that results in slow internet speed. Next tip that you need to follow is to uninstall all the useless applications from your phone. You should delete the applications which are no longer used by you. This way, your device will get a huge storage space and it is very beneficial to keep your phone high on space. Moving on, you must change the preferred network connection to LTE to increase internet speed on Android as it is faster than any other available option. After this, you need to download a faster browser. If you're still using an old browser and never thought of updating it, it is probably the time to switch to a faster web browser. It will eventually boost your internet speed and download the content on your device promptly. So, to increase the internet speed of your phone, do use these tips and tricks. We hope this video was helpful. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.